Good day. How can teachers, individuals, and societies genuinely discern and reclaim what is truly essential to human flourishing, meaningful existence, and collective well-being, rather than succumbing to the proliferation of the superficial and transient? In an educational landscape marked with rapid technological change, fragmented pedagogies, and shifting societal values, reclaiming the essential means returning to the core of purpose of education, cultivating critical thinking, moral character, and holistic development. This study contains that by resorting to foundational aims, educators can foster meaningful, coherent, and transformative learning experiences, resisting the pressures of superficiality and standardization. In this rapid environment, these are some claims of my study. 1. Technology and shifting of roles of teachers in today's classrooms. Technology-based learning presents the challenge and opportunity, while AI tools like interactive platforms and virtual simulations enhance instruction. They often shift the teacher's role from guidance to mentors and as digital facilitators. The essentialist view reminds us that technological fluency must not overshadow the deeper purpose of education, which is nurturing thoughtful, ethical, and competent individuals. Second claim, enduring power of traditional teacher-centered education, while modern pedagogies often favors learner-centered and inquiry-based methods. Traditional teacher-led instruction has consistently produced capable and well-rounded students. Essentialism, which emphasizes mastery of the foundational skills and timeless values, that continues to serve the oversight of individuals and educational fads. And third claim is holistic responsibility in knowledge production. A return to educational essentials must also confront broader ethical questions. The teacher as loco parentis bears the moral and social responsibility of shaping not just the minds, but the whole person. Why this argument is new and urgent? This claim feels particularly relevant now that the landscape of education has undergone a fundamental transformation. Testimonies from educators shift in global practices and philosophical awakenings that reflect a broader metanoia or change of heart, a turning back towards what truly matters. Critics may argue that many technological shifts now is not dramatic as some claims before, even today. The idea that teachers must abandon foundational tools like MS Word, MS PowerPoint for complex systems such as AIs or any other technological advancements seems to exaggerate the situation today. Many digital platforms are built upon these basic skills, and most institutions offer training to ease transitions. While foundational skills remain valuable, they are no longer sufficient. Today's educators must integrate learning management systems, virtual simulations, and AI-driven feedback and collaboration cloud platforms, all of which demand digital fluency and literacy. Teaching has become a dynamic act of synthesis, balancing classical pedagogy with cutting-edge tools. Thank you and good day.